tired. So we just got back from Ottawa. We went for the weekend for like Valentine's Day, do the last weekend of like Winterlude stuff, and it was super fun, but holy shit am I exhausted. Oh, I'm not doing a palette today. I'm actually going to be playing around with the Tarte chrome paints. I figured I had 5 of them. That is 5 days worth of makeup looks. So today is my one lazy day. So I'm going to be kicking this off with the lazy look. There's one color in here in particular that I think just really looks, pardon the crinkling, the best on its own. This guy right here, which is Froze. This one is like your standard pink with a gold shift. I'm gonna use my finger for this, and I'm gonna smush that on my lid. It is gorgeous. This is like, I think, probably my favorite version of this shade, considering everybody has a version of this shade. I think this suits my needs today, and it's gorgeous. We will get into more exuberant things throughout the week. I'm gonna put on just a bit of Clinique on my top lashes so I don't look too crazy. Just going to put on some tinted lip balm and go about my day. But now, in the event I have to leave the house, I look remotely put together. Crap, haven't done my eyebrows yet. All right, we're doing the purple today. This is called Pink Diamond. It looks purple. Didn't realize how messy these would be when I bought them, but I have to like repress them. I mean, it comes with this thing, but it's kind of a hassle having to repress every single time. So before I go slapping this on my face, I'm going to use my Tarte Sizzle palette in combination with this today. I'm gonna use Playa, the neutral thing, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I'm actually gonna start with my lower lash line before I dive into this. So I'm gonna use the purple, which is Sand Castle, this guy right here, with a little e.l.f. smooge brush. And I'm just gonna run that under my lash line. And now I'm gonna use the light brown, which is Paddleboard. That's just gonna make my eye shape here. Then I'm gonna use the dark shade Off Duty, and we're gonna go dark here. Okay, then on the same brush, I'm gonna go back into Sandcastle. Stamp this where it meets the dark stuff, kind of purple that outer corner up a little. And now I'm gonna take this with my fingy. Hopefully this won't all fall on my face, but I'm gonna just carefully stamp this and blend a little with my finger. I feel like this deserved a much more pungent palette than the Sizzle palette. So I'm actually gonna go into a mix of Paddleboard and Off Duty. Just kind of smooth this out. Oh, this is so vampy, like way more than I thought it was gonna come off. Take more of Sandcastle and just kind of stamp that to melt these two colors together here. This would probably look better if I was wearing concealer today, but I am not. Okay, there we go. I switched I switched sweaters. I feel like this kind of tones down a little bit. That purple tank top was a whole lot of purple. I just throw on my ABH lip gloss. There we go. Nothing else. No need for more. I actually kind of really like this look. Hi, hello. Whoa, it is blinding today. Oh, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a different look to mix it up. Today we're gonna be working with Top Yacht, which is probably one of the more popular shades. This is like the shimmery gold shade. It's very pretty. Goes with my sweater. Gonna be working a lot with the Tarte Sizzle palette. So I'm gonna go into Playa, which is just a cream shade, and I'm gonna really densely put this on my lid, and this baby's just going everywhere. And now with a crease brush, I'm just gonna go into, what the hell is this called? Paddleboard. I'm gonna put that in my outer corner, kind of do the whole outer V and just put a light wash of color into the crease. I'm going to use this kind of flat e.l.f. smoothie brush into the Top Yacht shade. And then this is just going to go underneath my lower lash line and in my eyeball apparently. And this is very subtle. Then I'm also going to put some in the inner corner and drag that to meet up with the rest. And then that's all I'm doing with the eyes. It's just a little bit of shimmer. You can make that pop by putting the darker shade on the lower lash line as well, but I'm going for a very light today, and I think there's just something a little special about only having that pop of shimmer on the lower lash line. Then the rest of the face, I'm gonna do some repeats here. I'm gonna use the Tarte blush in Quirky, the Master Chrome highlight in Diamond Glow. I really wish I could just remember what the fuck this one's called. Perfect timing, the baby's just waking up. And for my lips, I'm just going to throw on the Infallible 8 Hour Pro Gloss in Barely Nude. That's all for today. So my plan for today, what are we doing? Wild at Heart. It's like that frosty pink color. I want to do something more like lilac-y. I forgot my eyebrows again. Uno momento. Not perfect, but let's get started. I'm going to collaborate with the this one. So we're gonna prime the lids with Momentum. If you haven't seen it, my last 5 days was with this palette, and I will link that down below there. Now I'm gonna use. Went to adjust my glasses and they're not on my face. Libra, which is the lilac color, and this is gonna go everywhere. Basically, this is gonna be my main matte. I'm gonna take a smoothie brush into the same color and go down the lower lash line. Connect that up there. Now I'm gonna add the Tarte color. So we're going to press this goddamn thing down again for the millionth time. And then we'll do the tappa tappa tappa. Ooh, this is nice. This is very light. You could easily make this more smoky by throwing in Hot Mess down here. But I am just looking for some light pinky fun. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of Libra and use that just to blend out the edges of this and kind of deepen up the outer corner a bit more. So to finish my eyes, I'm going to put on some Clinique, and then I'm actually going to do a tiny bit on my face today just to kind of tie all this together because I'm really liking the pale pink shiftiness. I'm gonna take some of my Essence Make Me Glow liquid highlighter, and this is just gonna go in some of my typical highlighty spots. I'm not going crazy. I'm just gonna tap all that out with my finger. We're gorgeous. And now I'm going to throw in a lip gloss, my ABH ones, in Pink Tourmaline. Normally I put the light pink one on, which I'm sure is what you people were expecting. But no, I'm using the dark pink one today. Gotcha. Okay, so that one was the pink one. Oh, I like this. This is nice. I'd say this is more of a success than I was anticipating these being, because I have to incorporate different palettes and stuff with it. I mean, we still have one more color to go, so we'll see how that coppery orange one works out. It's the last day. I'm glad I saved this one for last because I really don't know how this is gonna go. It's either gonna look wicked or it will turn out terribly. So I was thinking that I should do like a shadow wing and then layer. I have before me my Huda Emerald palette, and I want to focus on this sort of army green shade, the one that kind of matches my shirt here. I'm gonna try to just get a wing shape on here for starters. It's looking all right. Oh no. Oh, let's get this open here. These don't really go on too well with a brush, but I'm gonna see what I can do. Yeah, that's not working. Okay, this is working. Go back into that army color here. I'm going to go over my wing one more time. And then I'm gonna thicken up the liner on my lid while hopefully also blending out this edge. Okay, well, you know what? The orange isn't as sharp as I thought it was going to be, but it did not turn out as disastrous as I thought. Throw on some mascara and see how this looks then. And I'm just going to do my top lashes. I don't know how this is coming off on camera, but in real life, with the exception of this wonky looking wing, this is actually turning out to look pretty wicked. I'm just gonna throw on some gloss. This is the infallible 8-hour yada yada. Okay, and that is it. Okay, I'm not upset about this. I wish that orange had shown up a little more, but I mean, it's meant to be applied with your fingers, so that was pretty difficult. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know which look was your favorite, and if you have any suggestions on palettes you want to see a 5 days with leave the comment down below, and if I have it, I will use it. We'll see you in the next one.